All right, this is gonna be flight 3. This is with the Spektrum 30C pack, another one here. Third Spektrum pack. Go ahead and connect this bad boy. Flight 3 in the morning. Oh. Sunrise. I got some chores to do, guys, but I'm sneaking this in early in the morning. So, flap check.
Take off flaps.
Take off flaps. Okay. Checking the gear. Bouncing around a little bit on the last landing. I could do way better. Okay. These tail draggers seem to have a little mind of their own when they're landing. Okay. Here we go, here we go. Gear down. Take off flaps. Let's do it.
Throttle cut off, FlightLine Corsair
Sound system. Those are small speakers, guys, so obviously I want more volume, but you know, they're pretty good. Just hope you can hear it on the GoPro later on. Alright, guys. Take a moment to compose myself here. Whew. Alright, ease into the power. Tails up. Low elevator. Yes.
5 remaining, 5. Gear up.
Gear up. Get rid of that gear. Turn it this way here. I'll walk over here a little bit. Get some of this sunrise. Woo! Ease into the power a little bit. A little rudder, just a little bit. Get down low. Just cruising, fellas. On patrol.
Remaining 4 minutes.
Ease off the throttle a little bit. She's on patrol here. Coming around. Sunrise Pass here. Nice easy passes. That one I dipped into the throttle, full throttle, about halfway coming at me. Let's do another pass here. Looks beautiful. Here we go. Let's do a full throttle pass. Fairly low, not super low. That was with takeoff flaps though. Flaps up. We'll do a full throttle pass here. Ease into it a little bit. Fly big, fly big. Alright, there we go. Full throttle. So cool, fellas.
Takeoff flaps.
Takeoff flaps. Nice and easy on the throttle. One minute. 1 minute really means like 3 minutes. We'll take it easy here. Practice some of our approaches here. There we go.
30 seconds.
Look at that. I'm going an extra minute, guys.
Timer expired.
Nice easy pass here. What a warbird.
Gear down.
Gear down. You see the gear come down. All right, give a little extra distance there. Way out there, so I could just ease it in.
Minus 1 minute.
1 minute. Over. Yep. Coming in. Bouncing. But it took it. I stayed in the power. Whew. Man. Just stay in the power, guys. Stay in the power. That's what I had faith in, and it worked. That was flight 3. I did take these little grub screws out of those struts on the front, on the mains, and I added blue thread locker in it. A lesson learned from Fat Guy Flies RC. His grub screw came off, and that wheel just went sideways on him. So easy enough to take off, and add some blue thread locker there for insurance. And stay in the power. Have a little faith in it. Woo. That sound system's hilarious. Alright, shut down. Alright, guys. Throttle cut.
On, it's safe now, L.
Total of 8 minutes 33 seconds, guys. I went 2 minutes 33 seconds over the 6-minute timer. Throttle cut is on. Let's just disconnect this main battery. That was 3 flights, fellas. Let's take a look at what we got. Battery is barely warm. Barely warm. I can hardly tell. Flight on it is, see here, 67%, fellas. Spektrum, 5,000 milliamp an hour, 30C pack. What a gentle on the battery flyer this guy is. And let's see this this pack here that I put for dedicated for the sound system. It's an Admiral 30C pack, 1,000 milliamp an hour. Let's see how it's like after 3 flights. 69%, guys. 69%. So those are the stats. RC Hobbies and more, this 3rd flight. Thanks for watching. Every day's a gift.